Okay, let's go. You show me which way to go.
Todos.
In front, please, un poco. Go. Hello, my love. Where are we?
In the bus.
In the bus. What number?
En el bus 4.
It's in my hand. Okay, so you have your list. And what number is this? Let's go!
This is what I have.
Ooh.
Curtain.
Key ingredient, Heinz baked beans, bacon. Key ingredient for me is cream cheese. This is the bacon dance.
¿Qué vas a cocinar?
Okay, Lydia, yes please. Yes please. Today's brief beer review is Falke Tostada 0.0. Non-alcoholic today because I'm with Lydia. Say hello, Lydia.
Hello.
So yeah, and we're not at home. Just didn't seem right drinking a beer out here today. So I went for a non-alcoholic option. I actually don't mind some non-alcoholic options. I think there's a time and place for them. I've had a couple of times in my life where I've gone through a detox and they're very sugary. That's the only problem, most of them. This is the best of a bad bunch. It's significantly better than anything I tried in the UK. Most of the mainstream standard non-alcoholic beers are so woefully poor, lacking any body, any real flavour apart from sugar and kind of synthetic hops taste. This is pretty decent. It's part of the Heineken group, but it was previously, I believe it's a German company. But yeah, it's 0.0. It's Tostada, which means toasted malt, toasted hops, and if I remember correctly, it's such hops, barley, wheat, water, nothing added, and it makes a difference. Of all of the options here in the main supermarket, apart from really nice bottled options that are significantly more expensive but are definitely worth considering, I'll review some of them in the future, this is the best of the cheap budget standard off the shelf options for non-alcoholic beers here in Spain. Thank you for listening.
One, two, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
21!
21!
21 caterpillars! La carretera está aquí. Estamos cerca.